Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Factorize 5a plus 2 whole square minus 40a. Now we are given this polynomial here 5a plus 2 whole square minus 40a. Now let's first simplify this bracket. So in order to find the factors, we'll have to simplify this bracket. So let's see. We can use a plus b whole square identity here. So that will be a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 5a and b is 2. So that will be equal to 5a whole square plus 2 into 5a into b is 2 plus b square is 2 square. So that will be 25a square plus 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20a plus 2 square is 4. Okay, so that will be, let's see, we have minus 40a here as last term, minus 40. Now we see that these two are like terms, so we simply 25a square plus 20a minus 40a, we simply put them together. Now 20a minus 40a is minus 20a. So 25a square minus 20a plus 4. Now we have reached a result which looks similar to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is 5a, b is 2. So we can write this as, let's see, 5a whole square minus 2 into 5a into 2 plus 2 square. So while factorizing, we can simply write this as 5a minus 2 whole square, which is 5a minus 2 into 5a minus 2. So this is final factorization. This is the answer.